The BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that make your morning coffee routine a breeze. With its durable construction and convenient design, this coffee maker is a top choice for coffee lovers. One of the standout features is the 12-cup Duralife glass carafe, which provides an ample capacity for your coffee needs. The measurement markings on the carafe ensure precise filling, so you can achieve the perfect brew every time. The easy grip handle makes pouring a pleasure, and the non-stick keep hot carafe plate ensures your coffee stays warm for an extended period. The Sneak a Cup feature is a game changer, allowing you to pour a cup of coffee without interrupting the brewing process. This means you can enjoy a quick cup before the full pot is ready, without any drips or messes. The Easy View water window is another handy addition, giving you a clear view of the water level and ensuring you add the perfect amount for your desired brew strength. The digital controls with their rubberized feel offer a user-friendly experience. The large buttons and easy-read screen make programming a breeze, and you can quickly set the 24-hour auto brew feature to wake up to fresh coffee every morning. The auto shut-off function adds an extra layer of convenience and safety. With a powerful 975-watt heating element, this coffee maker ensures a quick and efficient brewing process. The quick touch programming allows for precise control over your brew time, and a non-stick keep hot plate maintains the ideal temperature for your coffee. This coffee maker is not only functional, but also stylish, with its sleek black stainless steel finish. It will complement any kitchen decor and is available in other colors to suit your preferences. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich coffee maker. Its durable construction, convenient features, and easy-to-use controls make it a top pick for coffee enthusiasts. With its ability to deliver a perfect cup of coffee every time, this coffee maker is a must-have for your morning routine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.